Hello and welcome to the Rise Up Solution YouTube channel. Today we are diving into something that's absolutely essential for every business in today's digital age, having a website. Whether you are running a local shop, offering professional services, or standing in an online store, having a website can make a world of difference. At Rise Up Solutions, we are proud to have delivered over 200 websites for a variety of clients right from our hometown of Rajahmundry. Our clients are not just satisfied, they are thriving. So let's explore the top 10 benefits of having a website for your small business. Increased visibility and reach. First and foremost, having a website significantly increases your visibility. In today's digital age, people are searching for online for everything. A website allows potential customers to find you easily no matter where they are. It's like having a digital storefront that's open 24/7. Credibility and professionalism. Next up, a website lends credibility to your business. When people see that you have a well-designed website, they instantly pursue your business as more professional and trustworthy. It's the first step in building strong customer relationships. Customer convenience. A website make it incredibly convenient for your customers to learn about your products or services. They can access information at any time, browse your offerings, and even place orders or inquiries online. These convenience can lead to increased sales and customers' loyalty. Cost-effective marketing. Unlike traditional advertising, maintaining a website is cost-effective and offers higher return on investment. You can showcase your products, share customer testimonials, run promotional campaigns, and even start a blog to engage with your audience, all at a fraction of the cost of offline marketing. Better customer insights. With a website, you can track visitor behavior, understand what products or services are popular, and gather valuable customer insights. This data can help you tailor your offerings and marketing strategies to better meet the needs of your audience. Compete with larger businesses. Having a website levels the playing field. Even as a small business, you can compete with larger companies by optimizing your site for search engines and offering a seamless user experience. It gives you a fighting chance in a competitive market. Showcase your work. Your website is the perfect place to showcase your portfolio, whether it is projects, products, or client testimonials. This visual proof of expertise helps you build trust and attracts new clients. Global reach. A website breaks down geographical barriers, allowing you to reach customers beyond your local area. Whether you are targeting a national or global audience, your website makes it possible to expand your customer base. Improved customer service. You can improve your customer service by offering FAQs, chat support, and contact forms directly on your website. This ensures that your customers can get the help they need quickly and efficiently. Long-term value. Finally, a website is a long-term investment in your business success. It continues to deliver value over time, growing your brand, attracting new customers, and providing a platform for future growth. Thank you for watching till now. We hope this video has shown you just now how important it is to have a website for your small business. If you are ready to take your business to the next level, why not get in touch with us or the Rise Up Solutions. We have helped over 200 clients achieve their online goals, and we would love to help you too. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more tips and insights on growing your business in this digital age. See you next time.